Frost on the window, coffee on the stove, radio humming those songs we all know. Mama's knit blanket still hangs on the chair. Feels like she's right here, whispering a prayer. I drive these back roads slow this time of year. Every mile I'm getting closer to what I hold dear. The porch light shining like it's calling me home. I ain't felt this peace in so long. 'Cause there ain't nothing like Christmas, where the home lights are glowing, where the love's still strong and the fire's still going, where the hugs last longer than the nights feel cold. Yeah, Christmas hits different when your heart comes home. Neighbors out stringing them lights down the lane. Kids tossing snowballs like they don't feel the pain. Grandpa's old Bible laid out by the tree. He'd read Luke chapter 2 while we all took a seat. Still hear his voice when the choir starts to sing. Joy to the world, Lord, it still gives me wings. And even though some chairs are empty this year, their stories still echo loud and clear. 'Cause there ain't nothing like Christmas, where the home lights are glowing, where the love's still strong and the fire's still going, where the hugs last longer than the nights feel cold. Yeah, Christmas it's different when your heart comes home. So raise up a glass for the ones gone above, and pull those you've got just a little closer in love. Time slips by quiet as fresh falling snow, but nights like tonight let you feel it all slow. Yeah, there ain't nothing like Christmas, when the memories are flowing, when the ones you miss most come alive in the glow, where the hugs last longer and the stories get told. Yeah, Christmas is different when your heart comes home. Home lights glowing, and my heart's finally home.